MS Windows 7. MS Windows 7 is an operating system which runs on your computer. It helps you to do a lot of work on the computer. MS Windows 7 looks like a picture given below. So MS Windows 7 looks like a picture as given here. Then the starting page will be like this. Then the second page will be desktop. Okay, the desktop. When MS Windows 7 starts, a new screen appears as shown in the figure below. This is called a desktop. So when the MS Windows 7 starts, this is the first page, the login page. Then after that, when the Windows 7 starts, at that time it will be like this. Okay, this one with using the computer I will show you now. So in order to turn on the computer, first we have to turn on UPS. So this is called UPS. Here will be a button. So that button we have to press. Like this you have to press. Then after that one beep and one light will come. Then after that on the CPU, this is what the CPU of the computer. On that one button will be there. Then that button also we have to press. That time the computer will turn on. 1, 2, 3 light will come on the CPU. Now our computer has started booting. Many things are written in the keyboard and the monitor. You can see many things are writing and coming. Then after that now it is started booting. Our computer has started booting. Okay. So at first you will get like this an interface. You will get there. What you have to do? You have to just this means this icon means this picture is small icon you can see here. This means it is a user. Then this also is a user. Okay, so here in this computer 2 users are there. You can add many users in the computer. You can add. So which user you want to open, that you just click on that. At that time what will happen? See, this is the first page. Then after that one interface like this it will come. So that picture only you have seen in the textbook. So here you can just type the password. The password you can type here. Then after that if you press this button, that it will start to log in. Okay, like this it will log in. I will show. So when you are typing the password and just when we are clicking on that arrow, then it will open like this. So as you are seeing here, this is what known as desktop. Okay, it is known as desktop. So this picture only you have seen in the textbook. This is known as desktop. Components of a desktop. The first one, icons, desktop background, taskbar, clock, start button, and then run. Then like that many are there. One by one I will explain now. Icons means you can see small pictures on the desktop. These pictures are called icons. When you double click an icon, a file or program opens. Some important icons on the desktop are computer, recycle bin, etc. So what is small pictures on the desktop? So what did I say? This is what desktop. As you are seeing here, this fully screen is known as what desktop. So here you can see many small pictures. You can see these pictures are known as what icons. So this is what a computer. Then here you can see recycle bin. Here you can see recycle bin. Then here computer. These are the main icons of the computer. Then these are what this one is folder. Then these are files. Okay. So these all small pictures in the computer is known as what icons. Okay. Next, desktop background. The picture or image that appears on the desktop is called desktop background. It can be changed from time to time. So you can see here, you can see a picture now. Can you see a picture here? Okay, this picture is known as what background, desktop background. These small pictures are known as what icons. Then the full picture is known as what desktop background. This fully is known as what desktop. Then this picture is known as what desktop background. These small pictures are known as icons. Taskbar. The band or strip-like area at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. It contains the start button in the left corner and a clock in the right corner. So this strip is known as what what taskbar. Okay, this strip is known as taskbar. At the left side you can see start button. This small icon is known as what start button, and the right side there will be clock. Okay, this is known as what this is clock. Then at the left corner start button, right corner clock. So this strip is known as what taskbar. This strip from here to here, this strip is known as what taskbar. Clock. You can see time and date in the right corner of the taskbar. When you move the mouse printer to the right corner, you will see date and time appearing on the desktop. So like this. Okay, this strip only before now I shown. Then this is what clock. So where it is at the right corner. Okay, here you can see time, you can see date, you can see at the right corner there will be what clock will be there. Then next start button. The start button in the left corner of the taskbar is called the start button. When you click on the start button, a list of programs is opened. The list is called what a start menu. Okay, here where is the start button? Here at this corner is what a start button. There just keep the mouse at there, then left click. At that time what will happen? The start menu will appear. So this is called what a start menu. Then this is called a start button. Then this one is start menu. Next, so as you are seeing here, the same menu only came now. Okay, this is called a start button. Then this one is start button. Okay, then next, then if you have opened many applications and want to have a look at your desktop, press desktop key, then what desktop key plus D. Okay, think that you have just opened one software. Okay, think that you have opened this software. Okay, now you have opened this software. Then if you want to just if you want to look at the desktop, what you should do? Then this is called what desktop key. You have to press and hold this. Then after that plus D. Okay, you have to press D. At that time what will happen? Now it is now see, now it is opened. Okay, this software is opened. I just pressed that desktop button, then plus D. What happened? Okay, now I can see desktop. Okay, now it is opened. Okay, so by using desktop button and plus D, you can see the desktop. That only this one. Okay, if you want to see the desktop. Then next, run. Run means the run option helps to start a program to run any program. Okay, in order to open any program, we can use run option. Forward, click on start button, a menu screen appears. So you have to press start button. That is start menu will come. Then as you are seeing here you can you see one bar here. Okay, one column is here now. Okay, that only what run. So if you are pressing here, one cursor will come. Then just click there. Then after that, what we want to open. Okay, what we want to open now? I want to open word processor. Means which we are using to type and all. So with the keyboard, I am just typing there word. Okay, word processor I want to type. Then when I typed word, at that time at the top the Microsoft Office Word has come. Then I just clicked there. At that time it opened. Okay, for that only we are using the run option. Okay, just click on the start button. Then here will be one column will be there. There just we can type whatever we want. The name of the application just type there. Then at the top it will come. Then if you are just left clicking, it will open. That will what run. Okay, then here click here, then this column. Okay, that only what run option. Okay. Then okay, this only I told. Okay, then shutdown. What is shutdown? Shutdown means shutdown help you to close all the programs on the computer To use shutdown option, follow the given steps. Shutdown means it closes all the activities in the computer, then the computer will turn off also. I will show how it is, how to do that. Okay, then one more shortcut is there. You can you can open run. To open run, what is the shortcut? Press desktop key, then R. That what will happen? Okay, it has come. Okay, that column, that one another window has come. Then there what you have to do? You can just type paint. Okay, paint means that software which is using to paint and okay for painting and all. Then just click OK. Okay, at that time that paint software will come. Okay, then instead of that, if you are typing here, we have to type fully. Then otherwise we can just click here, then just type here paint, and that is here at the top. The paint has come. Okay, then you can open like this. Okay, then shutdown means to turn off the computer. Also all the files will close, all the applications, everything will close. So as here can you see here, first you have to press start button, then you have to press on a shutdown. Okay, if you are just pressing on that, what will happen? Only just click, one click is enough. At that time the computer will turn off. Okay, next, so the computer will turn off when you are clicking on that. Then after that we have to switch off the CPU, UPS we have to switch off. Then the main power switch also we have to switch off. Then gadgets are the tools which are used to see the information in an easy way. Windows 7 gadgets are, what are the gadgets? Calendar, clock, weather, picture puzzle, etc. These are what the gadgets of Windows 7. The figure alongside shows the gadgets. For example, clock displays the time. Okay, each gadget has its own duty. Okay, clock displays the time. Weather shows the information about weather of any place or place around the world. Then calendar is a series of pages showing the days, weeks and months of a year. Okay, see, these are gadgets. Okay, as you are seeing here, these are gadgets. Then it is gadgets of antivirus, then calendar, clock, then currency, picture puzzle, like that many, weather, like that many gadgets you will get in the computer. You can see operating system controls all the activities of a computer. An interface is a surface along which two different elements interact with each other. In a command line interface, you can get things done by typing in commands which the OS executes on itself and generates output. Okay, then MS Windows 7 is the latest version of Windows. Now it is not the latest. Now Windows 10 is the latest. But our textbook is fully about Windows 7 only. Okay, the background of Windows 7 is called the background of Windows is called desktop. Small pictures on the desktop are called icons. The gadgets Windows 7 are calendar, clock, weather, currency, picture puzzle, etc. Shutdown means to close all the programs on the computer. Then software is a set of instructions. Shutdown to close all the programs on the computer. Okay, in the next class I will explain all the exercise. Okay, so hope you understood. Then I will give now the homework for tomorrow. I will give, you have to do. Okay, so here I am giving 2 questions. Already 2 questions I have given from this chapter. So you have to find out from this video the answer of this question and study well. In the next lesson we will do all the exercise we will do. Then in the site also I will provide the PDF file of the exercise. You have to download from there and write.